Hi, I'm Jessa, and I love teaching math. Let's get started.
All right, so today we're going to talk about notation. So math is like any other topic, we have vocab, we have notation. These are things that, you're just memorizing, right? So there's some component of you need to learn the new vocab just like you would in biology or sociology or any other class. So here we're going to talk a little bit about two different notations that you may have seen in the limit definition. So this is if you're taking Calc 1. So we have the derivative is equal to the limit as delta x approaches 0 of f of x plus delta x minus f of x over delta x. Or you may also see the limit the derivative f prime of x equals the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So these are equivalent. Same. We're using a different variable. So one of them uses the delta x and the other uses the h. And the only difference is how it makes your formulas look in the end. So you will get to the same answer, and your final answer should not have delta x or h in it. It will just be a function of x. But I prefer this second option because I think it makes my formulas look a little cleaner, and I think students get a little less confused with the delta x, because if you drop that triangle, if you drop that delta at any point, then you may end up with a problem where you're confused about your x's and your delta x's, and you may cancel where you should not cancel. So I prefer the definition that has the h in it, but you will see it both ways. So that's the difference. They are the same. One of them is just a little bit cleaner for the student to use. And I would say every math teacher I've ever met would be fine with either definition, just so long as you are being specific and you're putting that h here in the limit, as well as putting the h in the formula. I think that your professor will be perfectly happy and you'll be able to solve the problem. So if that helps you, please do that. Thanks so much for watching.
If you have extra questions, you can go ahead and post them in the comments, and I'll try to answer as many of those as I can. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to get more help with math and see more of the math content.